Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to start by saying Happy New Year guys. I just can't believe that 2019 went by so fast. But here we are 2020 and I wish nothing but the best for everyone. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Irene. I don't think I have ever mentioned my name. In Black Friday, the makeup brands had a lot of deals. And one of my favorite makeup brands are from Jeffree Star. I will mention him a lot throughout my videos because I really love his cosmetic line. And so ever since the Jawbreaker came out, I was dying to buy it. This was 58 and I bought it for 40 something. So I took advantage of that and got this baby. So this is the Jawbreaker palette, and the reason why I love it a lot is because it has a lot of colorful makeup shadows. So this is how it looks. So this palette has all the colorful summer looks, which I really want to use on the summer. The vibe that I get from this palette is a bubblegum eyeshadow. So that is what I want to create today. I will be creating a bubblegum look. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down here, so that way you guys are notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already did my eyebrows and conceal my lid. So now we are ready to go ahead and apply our eyeshadow. By the way, on Christmas I went ahead and did my nails. This is how it looks. It looks super stunning. I love it so much. Don't mind this nail because I broke it by, I'm not even gonna say it. I know it was going to last longer, but you know, things happen. You lift a heavy box, it slides off your hand and your nail breaks. But anyways, let's just go ahead and continue to this makeup guys. So I'm gonna go with Brain Freeze. This is how it looks on the brush guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and basically apply it over my lid. So I'm just going to start right here. Okay guys, so now that that blue is on, I'm going to grab bubblegum. This is how it looks on the brush. It is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that over the blue shadow and basically start diffusing it. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's like a little bit of fallout right here. So I'm just going to grab a brush and brush it out, and we're just going to continue. Now I'm gonna go with Brain Freeze one more time and basically darken that blue, light blue color. So now guys, what I want to do is apply that pink right here as well. So let's just go ahead and try that. I never tried that before, but there's always a first time. I'm gonna go ahead and basically apply it right here. So this is the blue eyeshadow guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same step on this side of the face, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, now that the eyeshadow is on, I'm just gonna go ahead and basically apply it underneath my eyes. Then I'm gonna grab bubble gum. Okay guys, so this is how my bubblegum eyeshadow came out. I'm gonna go off camera and apply my eyelashes. I know that it kind of looks crazy right now, but as soon as I apply my eyelashes, I know it's going to look so nice. So I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already applied my eyelashes. So right now, one part of the eye is done and one part is not completely done. Can you guess which eye? That is right. I have to finish doing my underlashes from this eye. As you guys see there, I think that there is a big difference, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyelashes. Okay guys, now we are done. So the next step that I need to do is apply my makeup base. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation, my concealer, and all of that great stuff. So with my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. So the shade that I will be using is the 445, which is vanilla. I'm gonna shake this baby and we are going to go ahead and apply it on our face. Oh my god guys, I always forget my primer, so I'm going to quickly apply my primer. This is the new primer that I got in the store. This is the Maybelline Master Primer and it is supposed to blur and minimize your pores, so let's hope that it works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my T-zone, which is basically where I get oily. Honestly, like the texture feels a little bit oily. Well, let's just hope that it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and now apply my foundation. And I'm gonna be using my beauty sponge from Morphe. And I'm going to dissolve this foundation all over my face. Then I'm gonna be applying my concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is the shade Cashmere 360. And basically I'm just going to apply it right here. And then with the beauty sponge, I'm going to go ahead and basically start blending the concealer. So now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. I'm gonna be using this butter bronzer. This is my go-to butter bronzer. I love it a lot. It smells so good, guys. Oh my god, I can't get over this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and basically contour my nose. Then I'm gonna grab my beauty sponge and using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, I'm basically going to apply it on my nose. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like this. And I'm going to apply a little bit right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. I'm gonna use the same butter bronzer and basically start bronzing my face. I usually don't contour my face because I haven't done that yet. Maybe this year I will learn how to contour. Honestly, I'm a little bit scared because if I don't do it right, it's going to look very obvious, and obviously I don't want that. So I've been very scared to contour my face. So what I usually do is basically bronze. But this year I am looking forward to learn how to contour, and I will definitely be showing you guys the steps of how I contour my face once I learn. So yes. Now I'm going to grab my loose powder and basically I'm going to align my cheekbone. And basically I'm going to apply a little bit on here. And the reason why you will see a lot of beauty artists out there putting a loose powder is because the loose powder helps your foundation, your concealer stay all day. And I honestly think that it is very useful to apply it because your foundation is not gonna move throughout the day. So I find that very, very useful, and I've been doing it ever since I found out. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply our blush. Today I will be using the Milani blush, and this is the shade 08 Tea Rose. And I'm just gonna go ahead and basically apply this baby just like this. So as you guys notice, like you could see the blush, but it's not that extreme, and that is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I think that I'm gonna go with a nude color because obviously my eyeshadow is very bright and I want the attention to be on the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my nude lip color for my lips. So for my lip liner, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sleek Makeup lip liner. This is the shade Locked Up. I think that's the shade. Honestly, it has a lot of names right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline lipstick. This is the shade 920 Nude Lush. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the center of my lips. Okay guys, so the final step is apply my highlighter. This is a trick that I haven't told you guys, but usually I spray the side of my face so that my highlighter stays there. Then I'm gonna grab my Maybelline metallic highlighter, and this is the shade 050 Rose Gold. And now the last step is obviously applying my setting spray, and as you guys know, this is my go-to because I really love the smell and I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this baby right now. Guys, I forgot one more thing. I forgot my inner highlight. So let's just grab our palette very quickly and let's just apply our highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab Jawbreaker and basically apply that baby right here. So that is it guys, this completes the look. I'm gonna go off camera and remove these babies right here, and I'll tell you guys my final look and what I think of the palette. Final look of this bubblegum makeup, and I honestly think that it came out really nice. So let's just talk about the palette very quickly. So one good thing about the eyeshadow is that they are extremely pigmented, which I really love. I really love a pigmented eyeshadow. And also like this palette, I really like how the eyeshadows are big. Because there's certain palettes that are super expensive, but the amount that they give you is not even enough. But this one for 58, I believe it is, for 58 bucks, you get a lot of eyeshadows. So that is why I really love this palette. It also has a mirror, which is super great. If you are traveling, you could like use this mirror to apply your eyeshadow. So that's one thing that I really love about this palette. So also what I noticed from this eyeshadow is that when I will grab like bubble gum, you will have a fallout on the palette. I had a little bit of fallout on my face, but I could easily grab a clean brush and brush it away. So that is one thing that I think you guys should know. I personally don't really have a problem, an issue with that. As long as it works, as long as it's pigmented, I'm okay with it. So overall, I think that this palette is super beautiful, and I think that it's worth the money to spend. So yeah guys, this is basically what I came out with. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to recreate this bubblegum makeup, definitely try it out because it's super fun to do. So if you guys enjoyed my makeup look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that way I know that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have been watching me, thank you so much for sticking around. I will definitely be creating a lot of new makeup ideas, and without any further ado guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video.